forward. Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Place car in park. Place car in park.
At the car wash.
Looking as if it had been slain, standing in the center of the throne, encircled by the 4 living creatures and the elders. He had 7 horns and 7 eyes, which are the 7 spirits of God, sent out into all the earth. He came and took the scroll from the right hand of him who sat on the throne. And when he had taken it, the 4 living creatures and the 24 elders fell down before the Lamb. Each one had a harp, and they were holding golden bowls full of incense, which are the prayers of the saints, and they sang a new song.
You are worthy to take the scroll and to open its seals, because you were slain, and with your blood you purchased men for God, from every tribe and language and people and nation. You have made them to be a kingdom and priests to serve our God, and they will reign on the earth.
Then I looked and heard the voice of many angels, numbering thousands upon thousands, and 10,000 times 10,000. They encircled the throne and the living creatures and the elders. In a loud voice they sang,
Worthy is the Lamb who was slain, to receive power and wealth and wisdom and strength and honor and glory and praise.
Then I heard every creature of heaven and on earth and under the sea and the sound saying, the 4 living creatures sang, and the elders fell down and worshipped. Chapter 6. I watched as the Lamb opened the first of the 7 seals. Then I heard one of the 4 living creatures say in a voice like thunder,
Come!
I looked, and there before me was a white horse. Its rider held a bow, and he was given a crown, and he rode out as a conqueror bent on conquest. When the Lamb opened the 2nd seal, I heard the 2nd living creature say,
Come!
Then another horse came out, a fiery red one. Its rider was given power to take peace from the earth and to make men slaves. To him was given a large sword. When the Lamb opened the 3rd seal, I heard the 3rd living creature say,
Come!
I looked, and there before me was a black horse. Its rider was holding a pair of scales in his hand. Then I heard what sounded like a voice among the 4 living creatures saying,
A quart of wheat for a day's wages, and 3 quarts of barley for a day's wages, and do not damage the oil and the wine.
When the Lamb opened the 4th seal, I heard the voice of the 4th living creature saying,
Come!
I looked, and there before me was a pale horse. Its rider was not, and Hades was following close behind him. They were given power over a 4th of the earth to kill by sword, famine, and plague, and by the wild beasts of the earth.
So
When
far,
he
it's
opened
missing
the
some
5th
bird
seal,
poop right there.
I saw
and I don't
under
like
the altar
that.
the souls of those who had been slain because of the word of God
$10 car wash
and the
here.
testimony they had maintained. They called out in a loud voice,
How long, sovereign Lord, holy and true, until you judge the inhabitants of the earth and avenge our blood?
Then each of them was given a white robe, and they were told to wait a little longer, until the number of their fellow servants and brothers who were to be killed, as they had been, was completed. I watched as he opened the 6th seal. There was a great earthquake. The sun turned black like sackcloth made of goat hair. The whole moon turned blood red, and the stars in the sky fell to earth as late figs dropped from a fig tree when shaken by a strong wind. The sky receded like a flood, rolling up, and every mountain and island was removed from its place.
Very
Then the
powerful
kings of the
stuff
earth,
on the radio
the princes,
there.
the generals, the rich, the mighty, and every slave and every free man,
Guess I'm about
hid in
done.
caves and among the rocks of the mountains. They called to the mountains and the rocks,
Fall on us and hide us from the face of him who sits on the throne and from the wrath of the Lamb. For the great day of their
Get
wrath
blowed
is
off,
come,
yeah?
And who can stand?
Chapter 7. After this I saw 4 angels standing at the 4 corners of the earth, holding back the 4 winds of the earth, preventing the wind from blowing the sea and the tree. Then I saw another angel coming up from the east, having the seal of the living God. He called out in a loud voice to the 4 angels who had been given power to harm the land and the sea. Then I heard the number of those who were sealed, 144,000 from all the tribes of Israel. From the tribe of Judah, 12,000 were sealed. From the tribe
Oh,
of
that's the
Reuben,
end of the car wash.
12,000. From the tribe of Gad, 12,000.
All right.
From the tribe of Asher,